What's going on, everyone? My name is Amel and welcome to the channel. If you're new here and you like the content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, these products in this video have affiliated links in the description. So if you happen to do a purchase with any of those links, you're helping the channel out with a small commission, which is greatly appreciated. First on the list are the SteelSeries Arctis 3. If your other half loves the video game, then this headset would be a great option. It has comfort and style, and it comes in few different color schemes, with noise cancellation as well. It sells for around $60 to $80 on Amazon depending on where you live, and also has great reviews on the site as well. So click on the link in the description to check those out too. Fitbit Inspire HR is another great choice you can pick from, especially if your other half loves to work out and keep track of the daily fitness activities that they do. Some of the top features of the Inspire are: it can track calories burned, sleeping habits, resting heart rate, and heart rate zones during workouts. You can get the Inspire in multiple colors and the battery can last up to 5 hours. 4.5 stars out of 5 on Amazon with some great reviews from other people that bought it, so make sure you hit that link to check them out. Right now on Amazon Canada, the Echo Dot sells for $50. This would be an awesome gift. Some things that you can do with the Echo Dot are: you can play music, you can call people, and control your home smart devices. Be sure to check the reviews out on Amazon by clicking on the link in the description. If any of these ideas helped you out, drop some love in the comments section and let me know what you bought as a gift. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, just ask away, and be sure to hit that thumbs up for the video and subscribe to the channel. That's the most important part. In the meantime, you guys be safe out there and peace out.